we will see how to solve this nice word problem. This is an application from the law of cosines. This is problem number 17 of your lecture note. To approximate the length of a marsh, a surveyor walks 250 meters from point A to point B, then turns 75 degrees and walks 220 meters to point C. Approximate the length AC of the marsh. You can see that the angle right here can be calculated easily. That angle should be equal to 105 degrees. Why it is 105 degrees? Because the angle right here is 75 degrees, and we know that the summation of the angles on a straight line with respect to a point should be equal to 180 degrees. Now, our task is to find the length AC. Let's go ahead and label these lengths using the lengths as shown in a standard triangle. We know the side opposite A, which is 220 meters, should be identified as lowercase a. The side opposite C, 250 meters, should be identified as lowercase c. Similarly, the length that we need to find is length AC. That one is the side opposite the angle B. Therefore, we will label this as lowercase b. Our task is to find the lowercase b. We can easily write down the law of cosines for this angle, angle B. If I do so, it will be cosine B equals, how do you write cosine B according to the law of cosines? We know it will be a squared plus c squared minus b squared, all of that's divided by 2 times a times c. Angle B is equal to 105 degrees. Therefore, when we substitute the given values, it's going to be cosine 105 degrees is equal to a squared, which is 220 squared, plus c squared, which is 250 squared, that minus b squared, all of that should be divided by 2 times a, which is 220 times c, which is 250. Now we can easily solve this equation and find the value of b. If you find the value of cosine 105 degrees using your calculator, you can see that it's going to be equal to negative 0.2588. Now we can easily simplify this equation. I will need to multiply both sides by this denominator. Then on the left hand side, I will have negative 0.2588 times 2 times 220 times 250, which is equal to negative 28,470.09. This is equal to 220 squared plus 250 squared, 110 and 900 minus b squared. Now from that, I can easily subtract b squared. I will have b squared equals 110 and 900 plus 28,470.09, 139,370.09. From that, I can obtain the square root, and that should give you the value of b. The square root of this quantity is equal to 373.3. That's the length of AC. The units should be in meters because the other two sides are given in terms of meters. Therefore, the required length AC is equal to 373.3 meters. That's the length AC of the marsh. Thanks.